Hi and welcome to the channel. In light of recent events concerning ASUS, I'd like to delve into whether the upcoming ROG Phone 9 faces any potential challenges or risks to be cancelled. Within the realm of mobile devices, ASUS has distinctly segmented its offerings into two categories: the ROG series, catering to the gaming audience, and the Zenfone series, appealing to a broader demographic interested in compact yet high-performance devices. Examining last year's flagship lineup, we observed a stark contrast in external design, the ROG 7 boasting a futuristic, larger-than-life appearance, juxtaposed with the ultra-compact Zenfone 10. This year, the unveiling of the ROG 8 lineup initially surprised many with its departure from the avant-garde, embracing a more subdued and conventional design, alongside notable improvements in camera technology, as evident in the accompanying images. However, recent unveiling of the Zenfone 11 Ultra has sparked significant intrigue. Departing from its traditional compact form, it now sports a sizable 6.78-inch display and bears a striking resemblance to the ROG phone's aesthetic. A direct comparison highlights striking similarities between the two devices, with only minor differentiating features such as gaming-specific functionalities including shoulder triggers, higher refresh rates, and expanded memory. What implications does this hold for the short and mid-term future? In my assessment, I don't foresee ASUS abandoning its venture into gaming smartphones. The Republic of Gamers brand carries substantial weight, backed by years of dedicated development towards mobile gaming solutions. However, it's conceivable that future iterations may blur the lines between the ROG and Zenfone series. Rather than distinct launches, we might witness a convergence, with the ROG phone potentially emerging as a gaming variant within the Zenfone lineup, perhaps announced later in the year. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you believe these devices will merge into a unified offering, or will they continue to remain separate entities? I eagerly await your comments, and please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like content about gaming phones. Until next time, take care.